Story of Dove and Ant.
Children, I will tell a story of Dove and Ant. A dove saw an ant fall into a river. The ant struggled in vain to reach the bank, and in pity, the dove dropped a leaf close beside it. Clinging to the leaf like a shipwrecked sailor to a broken spar, the ant floated safely to shore. And thanks the dove for her kindness. Soon after, the ant saw a man getting ready to kill the dove with a bow and arrow. But just as he shot the arrow, the ant stung him in the heel, so that the pain made him miss his aim, and the startled dove flew to safety in a distant wood. Dove thanks the ant for her kindness. So we learn from this story, always help others.